Hey there, Boots Owen here. I've got a Bosch WFS4030. I've never seen one of these before today. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the filter. That's all this video is going to be about. It won't take a minute. It should be like most washing machines down here somewhere. That feels like it's loose already. This one. That way maybe. If I give it a twist. This machine is 30, it's 33 years old, I think. So that's just a flap. I've not seen that before. Okay. We should have a spanner fitted in there, look, that's missing. There's a little hose in here. Now this is full of insects. This was in a garage for probably 20 years. I don't know if there's any liquid in it. Oh, there is. And it's gross. Get all over everything. So it's got liquid in it. So I get that there onto the drive. This machine, 1993 is when it was made, making it 33 years old in 2026. Quite a lot of water coming out. There's a lot of dead, crusty things in there. I don't know what this is. There's some kind of a plastic thing in there. I'll have to have a look. I'll make a bigger video of this machine in due course, but for now, I'm just having a look at the filter because I want to see if there's anything in it, and then I'll do a couple of test washes in it, maybe in other videos. Let's open this up now. Very dusty. It was in a garage probably for a long time. That looks very clean. Pump goes around. It's very clean. It's just very clean. All around, very, very clean. Yeah. Similar pump to more recent ones. This is one of the first machines to have extremely quiet DC motor, same as the WFP3030. So put that plug back in there, tuck that hose back in there, get those little guys lined up vertical. Should probably clean that out, but you just snap that up and then twist them shut with the screwdriver, and that'll do it. So this machine is ready for a test wash. WFS4030. It's a rare one. Like I say, I've never seen one of these. They're probably in lots of houses, but at the time when this came out, this would have been the deluxe machine. Probably cost a lot of money back in the day. It even, if I'm not mistaken, has a courtesy lamp somewhere up here. I wonder if that works. I've never seen that on a Bosch machine before. Right, questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.